good outing. There's a lot of people. Store right here. Show you guys where it's at. It's in Kakaako, the main powwow. Right there, powwow. Yeah, what's up? What's up? You guys ready, huh?
I remember right?
We're all ready. Been a while. What's up, guys? You ready for ride? Woo, you ready, huh? You ready?
We're ready.
Let's go.
We're ready. Good at it.
Oh yeah, I got one of the boys in here. Want to go show off his mountain bike over here. Oh my god, this is awesome. Oh, looking good to turn out. Everybody's all excited. Ready to go. Running school. Damn. We got 2 batteries. Damn,
Yeah.
we got like 2 batteries. Damn. Oh yeah, 76. Chee-hee, 76. You guys want to go on this way?
No, you guys can go. I'm going to trail along in the back.
Okay, yeah. I'm going to be like everywhere. I'll look for you then.
Sure. Yeah, I'll find you.
Oh,
you
yeah.
I think you're the only one on the one wheel.
I know, yeah. Oh, wait, one wheel, man. Let's go. Chee-hee. Damn, it's freaking packed. Everybody's ready. Yeah. Got my fellow one-wheeler over here.
Oh yeah, I think so.
You got the one off. Okay, first stop, we're gonna go down to Kakaako Park. Got the Hawaiians over here. Woohoo! Hawaiian! Woo! Chunky road. When you're riding one wheel, always like look down because there's big cracks like that, and you're gonna dribble. So the first stop is Kakaako Park. We're all gonna be over here resting. Everybody's like going up there. Oh yeah, how's the surf? Oh, good. Woohoo! Oh. Everybody's rushing Kakaako Park, man. Everybody's rushing Kakaako Park. Chee!
Sideways.
Oh yeah! What a nice day too. Sunset time. Let's go up. Whoa! Hey, what's up, brother? Bike factory man! Hold the damn surf! Shit! Damn, this was a pretty crazy ride. Everybody's like army of wheels. Woohoo! We got a sun over here. Oh yeah, we got some Hawaiian brothers over here. Hey! What's up, man? Good. Oh yeah! next stop. We're at Kewalo Basin right now. This is like the boat harbor. All the boats, the fishing boat. You guys want to go fishing? Go have a little fishing tour. Come to Kewalo Basin, okay? Makana is here. Principal Hio is here. Steak and shrimp. And the famous Searcher is here too. So the road is like not bad on Kakaako. Kakaako road is a little bit more messed up. Kewalo is kind of messed up too. Look, it's all rocky and stuff. But we're gonna cut through Kewalas and go to Ala Moana Beach Park. Got some people playing volleyball right now. Y'all tripping out, dude. Like, what the hell's going on? Stop with all these wheels. Stop it! Mama's ready, Beanie. Mamma mia. Back there, one-wheeler. Where you going? So we're at Ala Moana Beach Park right here. Just cruising with the crew. I think we're like about 100 deep today. Yeah, of all kind of wheels. All kind of wheels. 2 wheels, 3 wheels, 1 wheel like me. It's all good. Now, the beach is kind of packed too. San Fran, my friend, all the way, San Fran. Niners. Okay, next year. We got the Super Bowl next year. Black Pluto. Damn, what a beautiful day. Lucky we live in Hawaii. Check out this weather. Okay, we're gonna do the beach test. See if this can go on the beach. Let's see if this can go on the beach. Do I have to stop? Do I have to stop? Yes, I have to stop. Hopefully it's more harder here. Let's go. Oh yeah, it's working. I'm on the beach. Okay. I say don't do it. Don't take your 1 wheel on the beach. The sand is too soft in Hawaii. Oh my god. So if you want to take this on the beach, the sand gotta be harder than Hawaii sand. So ain't gonna work. And this 1 wheel is freaking heavy. Like 30 pounds right here. Okay, I'm back on the road. Okay, so we gonna make a cutoff at Ala Moana Beach right now. We're gonna go up to Magic Island. Check out Magic Island. Let's go see if we got some magic tonight. Check out the sunshine. Oh man, brothers and sisters, funky each other, funky each other. Other brothers over here, they're tripping, they're tripping, they're tripping. Too much wheels. where's the dips. That's where you get hurt. That's where you crash. You gotta be careful when you're in the grass. High in the grass. Woohoo! To shout out the IG, but I am ready to go have a beer. Put all this camera gear down and have a damn beer. My whole body hurt. But yeah, it was fun though. Yeah. But next time I'm gonna ride a e-bike. This one wheel is just gonna be for parks. I think it was like an hour and a half or maybe 2 hour ride. So expect that when you guys come and do this. Yeah, today's turnout was pretty big. There's a lot of people, over 100 people of all kind of wheels. Yeah, bicycles, freaking mountain bikes. They even have one motorcycle, one wheel, and electric skateboards. They even have some guys wearing, some guys with street skateboards doing the whole trek. Damn, that's pretty good. That's pretty nuts. When I was young, I skated with my skateboard all over the island. It's all good. When you're young, it's all good. Okay, I'm to my car, but I hope you guys like this episode. Please subscribe if you guys never subscribed yet. Please like the video too, and you guys can check me out on Instagram at Tony Epic Shots. There's a lot of like live feed and all kind of photos that I upload on there. Yeah, should be fun. But the road's getting a little bumpy. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Aloha!